strokes it into the gap for a single. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. They're calling for two. That is brilliant pickup and throw. Certainly saved an extra run.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, shot, but only a single. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover.
What a catch by the fielder. Has to walk back to the pavilion.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That is six. That is just magnificent batting.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Nudges it for a single. Brilliant pickup and throw, and that looks out. Has to walk back to the pavilion. That was such a waste of a wicket.
That's six. Picked up the length very early.
Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. Edge and taken. A brilliant piece of bowling. It took to the edge. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant.
And he helps himself to a 6. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. What good batting that is. Excellent shot making.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
Informed fast bowler into the deck now. Expect some serious chin music. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Oh, that must have really hurt. There is a fielder at cover.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6.
That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing. Can he do it again?
the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Slips in place. That's into the gap. Should look for two. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Trying to up the run rate there. A very good shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four.
Last ball of the innings coming up. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the sharper one.
Missed that completely.